According to Teslarati, Tesla's Lathrop Megafactory is bustling as the second quarter of 2024 ends. A recent flyover on June 28, 2024, by Tesla watcher Met God in Wilderness revealed 264 Megapack batteries at the facility. The Megapack, designed for grid use, comes in two variants, a 2-hour version providing 1.9 megawatts of power and a 4-hour version offering 1 megawatt of power, both with 3.9 megawatt hours of energy. The 2-hour Megapack is priced at $983,370, and the 4-hour version costs $915,780, both before taxes and installation. The 264 Megapacks spotted are worth at least $241.5 million before installation charges. Tesla Energy, though less glamorous than its electric vehicles, is growing rapidly. Elon Musk highlighted the Megapack's role in Tesla's record profitability during the first quarter earnings call. You are listening to Yuan News.